There is nothing more infuriating than someone telling you to get some more color in your life. But while flashy clothes are generally not something that engineers are accustomed to, being able to detect color, that's another matter. The Omron Electronics B5WC is a multi-purpose color sensor that uses built-in white LEDs to illuminate a target, multiple sensors to detect the levels of red, green, and blue, and an I2C interface to simplify communication. The B5WC operates on a 5-volt DC bus, making it easy to power, and it consumes up to 18 milliamps while in operation. With a sensing distance of 40 millimeters and an operating temperature range of -10 to +70 degrees Celsius, you can be sure that the B5WC is suitable for most of your color detection needs. So next time someone tells you to add more color to your life, you can use the B5WC to scan your own clothes and prove that they're probably right.